Hello everyone, this is Koshey channel again, and today I'd like to tell you about how to replace one color with another on any image and how to use blending modes. For that, we need to open the forest. To do this, click open and select the forest. Click open, okay? Alright. The first thing I'd like to do is create a winter atmosphere. To do this, we'll make everything darker and more blue. For that, go to Image, Adjustments, and select Brightness, Contrast to make it darker. There, I think that's enough. Click OK. Next, go to Image, Adjustments again, but this time select Color Balance and make our picture more blue. I think that's enough, like this. Click OK. After that, to create snow on the trees, we need to go to Selection, choose Color Range, and select the color we want to replace. If it's blue, then blue. Here is this map, meaning it shows everything we will be replacing on a black and white map. Just like this. Select the desired color. I think that's quite enough like this. So click OK. Now it has selected all of this for us. After that, just in case, create a new layer, and on it take the fill tool, choose white, click OK, and fill everything we've selected. Like this. To deselect, press Ctrl D. Of course, all of this can be improved and made better. You can also adjust the tolerance here. That is, how similar the colors need to be for Photoshop to select them. I spent quite a bit of time here experimenting. I don't know if I ended up with the best forest, but at least the mountains I think I redid pretty well. And now let's talk about how to make snow. To do this, I need to go to File, select Place Embedded, and choose an image. Snow on a black background. Basically, you can search for snow on a black background on the internet. At least, that's how I did it. Stretch it to fit the size of your photo. Click the check mark. So, how do you make it so the black isn't visible? To do this, you just need to go to the blending mode. They're located right here. And you can choose either the lighten mode, but here it's not very visible. I think screen works quite well. Linear dodge is even lighter. Well, lighter color also doesn't look very good here. I'll choose, for example, linear dodge. So now basically we already have snow. There's already snow on the mountains and in the forest. I think our photo is ready and we can save it. This was Koshey with you. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and goodbye everyone.